Hello guys, it's Ivan from Skyrex. In today's video I want to show you two very interesting scenarios how the bear market will end, in my opinion. But before we get started, as usual, I want to remind you that nothing from this video can be interpreted as a financial advice, it's just my own opinion. Okay, let's start. Let's start with the weekly time frame on the Bitstamp exchange. And here I added the 1 year SMA. Why I use exactly 1 year SMA? Because as we can see, this moving average is very nicely respected by the price and help us to understand at which stage of cycle the Bitcoin now is. Okay, first of all, I want to show you in details how the previous bear market ends. Okay, we saw that when the bear market started, the price found support first of all on the 1 year SMA. We saw the bounce, but finally the price broke below this line. After that, we see the relief rally exactly to 1 year SMA, and after that the price finally dumped for 60% to the bear market bottom. At this point also the RSI indicator reached the oversold condition. It's value of 30, and after that we saw the new bull market start. The bull market start was confirmed when the RSI broke this trend line. It was at this point, it was so close to the lowest possible price, so it's very nice indicator, it's very nice point to buy Bitcoin. But what we can see right now, we can see almost the same situation. The bear market started right here. I told you in TradingView many times that bear market ended right here, because this was the wave 3, global wave 3 end, and now we are in wave 4, which is represented by the flat correction, but now it's not important for us. We can see that the price found support again exactly at 1 year SMA, and after that we see the new push to the new ATH, and after that the price broke down finally this level, and we saw the relief rally exactly again to this line. If we imagine the replication of this of the previous bear market, we can conclude that the final target for this bear market is approximately $17,000, because it's almost 60% of drop from the SMA, from this relief rally to the SMA. But I don't think that we will see such low prices because of my previous analysis, where I told you that $22,000, in my opinion, it's the most logical target for this bear market. Okay, what we can wait to confirm that bear market end? We need to wait when the RSI will reach oversold territory at below 30, and after that break this trend line to the upside. It can be with different approaches, and the scenario which I can imagine with 70% probability again is the pump to $35,000, and after that dump to $22,000, where we will form the accumulation and the new bull market start. But also we have another one very interesting scenario. If we take a look again at weekly time frame and at the MACD indicator, we can see that the price, the Bitcoin, is going to flash the extremely strong signal, bullish signal. Last time we saw the true bearish divergence on the MACD exactly one second, exactly at this candle. Exactly this candle we saw this divergence. And after that we saw the bear market, this huge downtrend, this bearish divergence started the bear market. Now we can see the opposite situation where the price dumped to $33,000, pushed to the upside and pushed to the downside to the new low at $27,000, and it forms again the true bullish divergence. So it can be the possible sign that the bull market is starting right now, but I don't believe in that in this scenario. If we will see some more sideways, something like this, which will looks like an accumulation, maybe these prices next to the $26,000 to $30,000 will be the bottom of this bear market, and we will see the new bull rally maybe in 3 months. Okay, and so also I want to remind you that the price formed this Fibonacci impulse at this point, corrected exactly to 0.38 Fibonacci level, and we saw the push to the downside exactly, guys, exactly to zone 27 of Fibonacci extension. It could be also the bottom, but usually the bottom at zone 27 is represented by the accumulation, something like this, by the huge sideways movement. This is I call this bottom type as a depression type. Here nobody will believe in that the Bitcoin will pump from this point. Everybody will think that Bitcoin will dump from this point, but it will not dump, it will pump, because because the crowd want it to be at lower prices. This scenario for me has a 30% probability. Now I'm in long position, in local long position, not in global position. I did not invest in Bitcoin yet. I want to see the relief rally to $35,000 and new push to the downside to $23,000, and only after that I will see. If we will see such scenario, we will see another one crossover of zero line at the MACD, and thus in this case we will see even stronger bullish divergence. The double divergence on the MACD, it's almost guaranteed. The new bull cycle start. It will be the obvious signal. I want to receive exactly this signal. I want this scenario to play out. In this case, I will earn the largest amount of money. Well, guys, let's see what will happen. Now I'm in long position. I'm waiting for this move back to the upside. And after that, a new dump. Thank you for attention. Please support me with your likes, comments, subscribe to the channel. Thank you, good luck, and goodbye.